What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dyson TP04 tower fan. Now before we get into the video, I just want to mention a few key things. We still have our April giveaway going on where we're giving away a pair of Bose sleep buds. Next month we're going to be giving away a very exciting product, so stay tuned for that. We hope everybody's staying safe. Let's get started. So a little bit about this fan before we get into the unboxing. This fan retails for $550 US before taxes. So you're probably looking at close to $600. Now, to 95 to almost 99% of people out there, that sounds absurd for a fan. But when Dyson makes fans, Dyson is the Rolls Royce of fans. So this fan is not going to be for every single person and not for every single home. But there's people out there with the preference to pay that extra money. I am one of those people where I prefer to have something like this instead of an $80 fan, because I really do enjoy the quality that Dyson offers with these fans. People might have different opinions than I do, but I just want to let you know that in my opinion, I think it's worth every penny. Let's get to the unboxing. So beginning with the unboxing, let's open up everything. Let's take off the plastic first of all. Okay. So first thing you notice when you open up the box are the actual cylinder that closes at the bottom, and inside of it is half of the HEPA filter, and then this is the other half. Let me show it to you a little bit closer so you can see. Let me take it out. So you remove that. There you go. And then same thing with this one. First impressions, honestly, when taking this out of the box and looking at these filters, it's just heavy. It's nice, very good quality. You can already tell it better be for $550. But there you go. That's the other half. So at the bottom of the fan, these two are meant to go together and it closes in. We're gonna put those to the side for now. Next, you notice the remote. So this fan is remote controlled and it is also app enabled. I'm gonna go more into the app later in another video. That's gonna be the review video, but now we're just gonna be unboxing and showing you what comes inside. So now this is the remote. So there it is. Let's take it out of the plastic, get a better look. Okay, and then this just tells you a little bit more about each of the remote's functions. So it says, you know, right here, standby, on and off, airflow, heads, airflow speeds, I'm sorry, and oscillation, on and off, and everything else right here. Okay, so then we remove the remote. And then right here is the power adapter for the Dyson. So this is going to be the main power cord that turns everything on. Let's see, I can remove that, get a better look. Right here. This is an interesting, I don't think this is with the previous models. Okay, time for the main event, the actual fan. So open that side. I'm gonna put this down and change the camera angle so you guys can get a better look. Okay, so here's how you install the filter for the fan. So what you do is that you have to install the charcoal filter first, and then you make sure that you're hearing the clicking. You gotta put it in so it doesn't move. And then you take this piece right here, which already has the filter attached to it, and then you put it in until, same thing, you hear the click. Okay, now we're gonna attach the second one and just click, just like that. And don't worry, it's normal for you to have that gap. It's nothing that's wrong with it. Now we flip it, let's connect it, turn it on, and let's show you guys the fan. So first thing you notice when you turn on the fan is this little circular screen that turns on the fan base. And the first thing you see is that it represents the indoor air quality, hence the AQ to the side of that graph. And right now, the indoor air quality is very good. Now keep in mind that that graph represents only the last 12 seconds of data. So it doesn't represent the last hour or so, it's just the last 12 seconds of data. Now when you press I on the remote again, it brings you to the next screen, which represents the particulate matter. So these are microscopic particles up to 2.5 microns in size, suspended in the air that you breathe. Now these can include things such as smoke, bacteria, and allergens. So right now we're doing pretty good. It's not that bad in here. And then next, you got the particulate matter, which are larger particles pretty much that are up to 10 microns in size. Now these include dust, mold, spores, and pollen. Next, now this screen represents the volatile organic compounds. Now these are typically odors that are potentially harmful. These can be found in cleaning product, paints, or even new furnishings. So that's very cool to keep track of. Next is the nitrogen dioxide and other oxidizing gases. So these are potentially harmful gases that are released into the air by combustion. For example, the burning gas when cooking and in vehicle exhaust emissions. But I think this, in most people, will be very, useful when burning gas, when cooking, stuff like that. And then next, this measures the indoor temperature. So right now, the indoor temperature of the room that we're filming in is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. That's also good to know. The next screen represents, right now, the room that we're in has 40% humidity. Very interesting to know that. Finally, the last screen shows you pretty much the status of your filters and if they need to be exchanged. So with this, it's very cool. It gives you a visualization. So the teal bluish one represents the charcoal filter, and then the purple one represents the HEPA filter. That's a really good way to monitor the filter. I know in the other models, when the filter was low, it just shows the letter F and then 3 bars next to it showing that it's at max level with the filters. So this is an excellent visualization of the filter levels with this fan. Again, I'm extremely impressed by this so far. I'm gonna be posting the review video of this fan later in the month, possibly next month, just so I can have time to test it out, and I'll let you know how it's been. Okay everyone, so this was the unboxing of the Dyson TP04 Dyson fan. We hope you all enjoyed it. I know this is not a very thorough unboxing, but we're gonna leave all the detailed review and opinions and feature, showing and all these things for the next video, which is gonna be the review video where we're gonna discuss how it's like to own, its features, etc. And I'm also gonna be uploading a video showing you how to link it to Dyson Link, which is the application, because this fan is app enabled. Before we go, I just wanna leave you with a few notes. First thing is that we do have our April giveaway still going on. So if you haven't entered yet, make sure you go enter. We will be announcing the winner of that around early May. And then for the May giveaway, we're also going to be giving an exciting product, so please stay tuned for that. Lastly, if you have any comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. I always reply to my comments and react to them. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.